In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report PayPal payment disputes. If you need to flag a transaction that looks incorrect or that you want PayPal to review, the process is straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open a dispute directly from your PayPal account using the details of the specific payment. To begin, make sure you're signed into your PayPal account and on the main account summary page. From here, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Recent Transactions. This area shows your latest account activity, and it's where you'll be able to locate the payment connected to the issue you want to report. Take a moment to review the list carefully so you choose the correct transaction, especially if you've made several recent payments. Once you've found the payment you want to review, click on that transaction. This opens the transaction details page where PayPal provides more information about the payment, such as the amount, date, and recipient. Opening the correct transaction is important because the dispute will be tied directly to that payment record. After the transaction details page opens, look for the option that says Report a Problem and click it. This is the link that starts the dispute process for that specific payment. If you don't immediately see it, scan the page carefully, since the exact placement can vary slightly depending on the device you're using or updates to PayPal's interface. You'll then be taken to the next step in the resolution process. On this screen, click Report Issue to PayPal. This tells PayPal that you want to formally raise the matter for review. From there, PayPal will guide you through the dispute flow and any additional information they may need in order to process your report. As a helpful tip, before you submit anything, make sure you've selected the correct transaction and that you're ready to provide accurate details if PayPal asks for more context. Clear information can help avoid delays during the review process, and that's how to report a PayPal payment dispute. Start from your account summary, go to Recent Transactions, open the payment in question, click Report a Problem, and then select Report Issue to PayPal. If you follow those steps carefully, you'll be able to begin the dispute process quickly and directly from your account.